Hi everybody, this is Mr. Rojan making a bass video for you today. As you can see right now we're going to be working on the bass part to Playing in the Snow, which is one of our orchestra pieces. In this video I'm not going to be playing the bass, this is just going to be going over the notes and the rhythms and the fingerings with you, and in the second video we'll actually go ahead to playing the piece. So what you can see here is that I've labeled the staff with the good boys do fine always, and the all cows eat grass. And then I've transferred my knowledge of those notes over here to Playing in the Snow. So we have a D, F sharp, G, if you look closely, G, all cows eat grass, D, E, D, good boys do, G, A, D. If you need to, you can write those in. And I started to put the fingerings on the top, but then I discontinued. If you need the fingerings, you can go ahead and do that on your own. Just remember that this E here is a first finger on the D string. This G here is not an open G. That's your open G for the good all cows eat grass. This G for the good is the note that we learned this past class, which was 2 fingers on the E string. Now we have to talk about the rhythm. I have a half note which gets 2 beats and a rest. Half note gets 2 beats and a rest. And then over here a dotted half which gets a full 3. So here's my beat and I'll say it for you. Here we go. D, rest. F sharp, rest. G, rest. D, 2, 3. E, rest. D, rest. G, rest. A, D. You can rewind and say that with me. Now I'll go through the second line. If you want to pause this video and write in some of the notes, that's okay. You could do it on your own and then check them with mine. Ready? Here I go. Go. D, rest. A, rest. D, rest. E, rest. C sharp, rest. A, rest. C sharp, rest. F sharp, rest. Then we go to the last line, which in class we learned as some hot cross buns sections. B, A, G, F sharp, E, D, A, D. Alright, so I hope that was helpful to identify the notes and to speak it through. I'm going to make a second video now playing that for you on the bass.